A payment hub is a central platform that enables businesses to manage their payment transactions in a streamlined and efficient manner. It is typically used by businesses that process a large volume of payments and need a centralized system to manage those payments across multiple channels and payment methods. A payment hub typically provides the following features. 1. Payment processing. A payment hub provides the ability to process payments across multiple payment channels, such as credit cards, debit cards, bank transfers, and e-wallets. 2. Payment reconciliation. A payment hub can automatically reconcile payments with invoices and other financial records, which can help reduce errors and save time. 3. Fraud prevention. A payment hub can include fraud detection and prevention features, such as real-time fraud monitoring and transaction validation, to help prevent fraudulent transactions. 4. Payment routing. A payment hub can route payments to different payment processors or banks based on factors such as cost, availability, and risk. 5. Payment data analysis. A payment hub can provide analytics and reporting tools to help businesses track payment trends and identify areas for improvement. 6. Payment management. A payment hub can provide businesses with tools to manage their payment operations, such as payment scheduling, payment reminders, and payment tracking. 7. Customization. Payment hubs can be customized to fit the specific needs of businesses, including the ability to integrate with existing payment processing systems and to support multiple currencies and languages. 8. Scalability. Payment hubs can scale to handle large volumes of payment transactions, making them suitable for businesses of all sizes. 9. Security. Payment hubs typically provide a high level of security, using encryption and other security measures to protect payment data and prevent unauthorized access. 10. Compliance. Payment hubs are designed to comply with various regulations and standards, such as PCI DSS, Payment Card Industry Data Security Standards, which help ensure the security of payment data. 11. Integration. Payment hubs can be integrated with other business systems, such as accounting software and customer relationship management (CRM) systems, to provide a more comprehensive view of business operations. 12. Cost savings. Payment hubs can help businesses save money by reducing payment processing fees, minimizing errors and chargebacks, and improving payment processing efficiency. 13. Real-time reporting. Payment hubs can provide real-time reporting and analytics, allowing businesses to monitor payment transactions and identify issues or opportunities for improvement. Overall, payment hubs provide businesses with a centralized platform to manage their payment transactions across multiple channels and payment methods. They offer a range of benefits, including increased efficiency, reduced errors, improved fraud prevention, and better financial management. Payment hubs can be customized to fit the specific needs of businesses and can scale to handle large volumes of payment transactions. Payment hubs also provide a high level of security, compliance with regulations and standards, integration with other business systems, and cost savings.